Right. Namphla silenyinye inja egame. Hey, hayi forces siyakipa guys. Yanyiwa. Right. How far mjita wami?
Right, but doesn't njani.
Usharp.
I'm not sharp.
Wewe ngani awumanga kahle.
Hayi konke ku right. Konke ku right. Just a bo.
Mina ngwamani ngifuna unjela ibizo lakho. Sikuinvitele ukuthi sibona upost ezinye izinto yabona. Yaposta ngani kuloku ugijima lani into njazona leziyana. So futhi utshele ngubani and then kume njani into enze ugijima lezo.
Alright. Mina ibizo lami Raymond Ngavi.
Raymond what?
Ngavi.
Kurumjijima izinto ungabi futhi.
Ukwazi uphi ngoba sibaningi phela Ngavi lapha eFusi.
Uthi producer something wenza music eh?
Oh, DJ Bruno.
Ngumna uphi lo?
Ngumna wami ngo-3 in my family no.
Oh, that's nice. All right.
So maybe a lot infos bangazi ngireserve plate because I was also an athlete years back. Then I actually hanged the boots. So Kateza, I'm just coaching Moses Striders Athletics Club.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So when did you start into some athletics ukijima?
At primary I was just doing a marathon, punguti to abantwana bahamba. But then when I got to secondary school, then I thought since I was doing a marathon at school, primary, let me just join a marathon that I was going. I was learning a clock high school.
Okay.
So I just went Konangale, Nabanye, but then it was just for fun.
All right.
Then come from 3 kwaba new sports master that was at the school engangifunda khona.
All right.
Nguye waforce out wonke umuntu should run ama sprint.
Right.
That's when I came to discover lami yakwazi sprint.
All right. So wena ngawukhuma uthi waqase primary ukagijima yini lo dance all right. Uyivifa simazi ukuthi ngumuntu esimaziyo lapho. Because mina first ngiyabona ingani ngiyabona kobe ngikubizile ukuthi uye lapha uzontshela dlala. So wena lo dance umbona yechiwa lapha.
Denzel umfana wami lo ngimkhulumile. Actually he was inspired by me ukuthi layenza ama sports.
All right.
Umna wami uDenzel ngilaye ngwes4 from my family.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So inspiration yakho yokugijima eqalela kubani? Umbukela manje.
I mean, I usually enjoy ukubukela Usain Bolt from Jamaica.
Okay.
Yeah, lona is.
So la 100 meters ayishaya in 9 seconds. Wechaya 7 eh?
I try 9.54 and my closest of which I so close, but my personal best in 100 meters is 10.34.
10.34.
Yes.
Amayisokhuluma enye language 10.34 mina ngiyazi izizothi
10.34 seconds, 10.34 yes.
All right. Into enifuyibuza lapha emfuyizwisisana. Into enilenge. What's your goal? What's your target into some athletes? Uplana let's say today suphumelele kwathi boom. Into nje wasucoacha and stuff. So wena ucabanga ukuthi ungathi boom kwenzakala uyaplana kwenzani? What's your goal?
Okay, my goal is to see ama young athletes especially from the city of Victoria Falls bephumelela getting ama scholarships, going abroad bethola ama scholarships siyafunda, and also to boost sports tourism here in Victoria Falls.
Okay.
Like for example, we've got this upcoming competition that is coming this 9th of May. The weekend delay Victoria Falls Lab, where we are going to be having athletes from around the world, cadets, juniors and seniors.
Okay.
So they become Lapa Falls also compete.
All right.
Yeah, so my major aim is ukuthi lathi as a city as Victoria Falls sibe recognized to know Victoria Falls kulabantu laba bayenza abenza athletics.
Okay.
Of course we have got Harare, we've got Ibulawayo. It also produces sprinters.
All right.
But then we also want Mat North, like coming from Victoria Falls, to produce athletes. Like ngezikhathi zami mina wakuyaziwa ukuthi kulo Raymond Ureza okulo Dixon Kapandura, like is also in the States right now as you speak.
Okay.
So
ulunge sagijima.
Yeah, also sagijima.
All right.
He was also my junior, but then wagcina ehambile. So that's what I want ukuthi ama athletes la ithole ama scholarship. Like for example umna wami uDenzo Ngavi, he got a scholarship is in India as you speak.
Ngindaba
zokugijima. So we want
he's a sprinter very
he's a sprinter, yes.
Damn. All right. Right. Since wena kade sithi swa retire ukugijima, you retire phela lokwenza?
Yeah,
retire.
Yeah, I'm coaching.
So kuthiwa yini lo zeni yakho
i club, it's Moses Striders Athletics Club.
You are the founder, right?
I'm actually one of the pioneers, but I'm not the founder.
Okay.
The founder is Coach KT Sibako. He's now in Botswana.
Alright.
nguye owangenza ngathanda ama-sports kakhulu because as I was learning eGlock yena wayengu-sports director lapha eMosi.
Alright.
So he saw the talent that I had and then he approached me. I was like, I'm seeing upper ama-sprinters amaningi lapha, they are from Victoria Falls. Why don't you form a club?
Okay.
I was like, no, this is a good thing.
Alright.
So it was in 2014 December, 2016 December. That's when we actually had the club. Iqalisa wayaba pioneered. So we had a lot of athletes abajoined the club. So the founder is Mr. KT Sibako. Nguye wasinechayo groomed us. Wasitshengisa ukuthi guys senza so.
Alright.
Yeah.
Interesting. Alright, so ilozini le ebuyayo liyenzela lapha eForce, eh?
Yes, esenzele eForce la eMosi.
Alright, so olebizo lese anyone from Harare or from Bulawayo onguye othiwa lo uyagijima obuyayo umbani?
So far these people, they are supposed to come, but they haven't confirmed yet. But we've got athletes that are running like the likes of Thandazani Ndlovu. I'm sure ababonileyo world relays kade se eBotswana recently. How the guys were performing. We've got the likes of Thandazani Ndlovu, Kereni Muishi Pizza, we've got Ongoni Makusha, and also our very own Denzel is coming for this event. He's landing on Wednesday.
Alright, from China.
From India. Yes.
Hey, shout out to Denzel. Hayi.
Yes.
Siphathela amakhumkhum njami. Alright. Umuntu wangu-Daud. Do you know Daud?
Yeah.
Ugijima marathon, I think ugijima 21 Ks.
Yes, I've heard about him. Yes, I've heard about him. Yes.
Alright. Asifuna isikhe silifake lonke like lingene sibone.
Yena nxa egijima
marathon. Imagine uthi amalong.
Hayi nxa singangena amalong senganishiya, but i-sprint ngiyamkhangela emuva.
Alright.
Ningari kumashuri.
Atingotevera. Alright. Since you started, how many trophies do you have?
Mina ama-medals engilayo.
Uthi ama-medals? Sesijwayele ibhora. Alright.
Ama-medals engilayo in total I've got 48.
48 medals?
48.
Ngobuya ngalawo. Sesifuna phela sitshengisa abanye ukuthi ayinansi into
enza. But I'll come with them maybe for.
And then uDenzel uyamena.
uDenzel uqase kathi yesimfana, he's got 6.
Alright. 100 meters.
It's 200 and 400.
Alright. Yes. So le 48. So lawa amadide ngala wona ukulengisa lona.
Now ungafika like endlini kumasalo wami engantshela khona before ngithatha. Kulela ndawo phela khona achievements. Mama medals ami wonke and then ama certificates ngile 13.
Shit. From low. Samanje wena uzifihla nje kulezi zinto ezingaka.
It's good to be humble. Nxa abantu bengakurecognize, that's when you get, I know it's me, but uthi wena uzokumise
it's tricky.
Yeah.
Alright. So like njengelukuze nini. So do you think i-club yakwani ugijime lapha izawina yini sizukubi abanye from ama other times? So do you think bazayithatha yini lukuze nini? Bazawina yini ama medals khona?
Yeah, the guys
so
are promising.
So la invite Grace labo bani.
Yes, we've got like competition is including ama clubs.
Okay.
Ama schools.
Okay.
Even police, you got a club. It's a therapy Harare that is coming.
Okay.
Ilapa.
So it's big
it's being led by Coach Kamgerem Dixon, a veteran who is a sprinter who was also part of Zim Athletics team. We also once part of the team together. We went to Zambia, so many places, Samba Songi.
Alright.
Now he's a veteran. He's the one leading this therapy athletics club in Harare that is also coming for this event.
Okay.
Yes.
So lena ugijimena akula kulwana uje kunchile umslide umuntu esiwe njenge point yabuntu uyakwazi ukukantshwa omunye.
No, athletics there's nothing like that.
Akula
beef, akula ukantshana because umuntu ule track yakhe
usilwa le
line yakho bangakuchiya bakuchile. And that's it. Yeah.
Alright. Saka this yakhipha phela.
Ziyawa lapha ziyawa.
So mdala wena baqasa how many years lokuze nile? How many years like from ukijima baqasa how many years?
Baqasa from ama cadets. So nxa sisi ama cadets. So we are saying ama cadets. So we are saying like it's 14 years and below.
Alright.
You ama cadets.
Okay.
Then maybe 15 years ukusiya phezulu. Sesikhuluma sithi khona ama la songama safa singama juniors.
Alright.
So it means it's 15 to 19. Then from 20 years and above, then songama seniors now.
Alright.
Even ukhulu le 100 nxa efit kuzocompete siyamfuna ngeSaturday.
Ekijima.
Yes.
So mbani osponsayo?
Okay.
Osponsayo kati let's say osponsayo.
All right. We've got my sponsors are those who are promising.
Okay.
Baningi. I won't mention.
Alright, like Vic Force, is there any company where I approach out, guys, I'm doing this and that?
Yes, I've got various companies that I've actually approached.
Okay.
So they are promising. So we're actually waiting for feedback. And also we've got Mosi Oyatunya High School.
Okay.
Mosi is nige a ground for the competition and the equipments that we are going to be using. It's being sponsored by Mosi.
Alright.
So my sponsors they are coming. Hopefully labazabona this video if they are interested in coming. You want more sponsorship for the competition to actually come through.
Alright.
For the competition to actually come through.
Alright.
Yes.
Kata mtata. Okay, yeah, nyawuzwa mtata. Akuyafiwa. So guys, asibuyeni sisupport ni Saturday. Ayithethe
Namhla ngu4.
Yeah, mhla kabani?
Mhla ka9.
9. Saturday, this coming Saturday, 9 May,
9 May.
Emosi,
Yes,
guys, acala belizo supporter. Ingabantwana be Vic Force, akule singakwenza. Wethu uyafuna bafuna umele ubuye. Bese sikhona.
Kakhulu.
Singahlala eroad nxa ubuya ngasiya kuganda. No, it's fine. Alright, ayadlalela ngiyangitshaya eroad. Zwana phela lapha. Wena Jom since izinto lezi, siyakwazi ukuthi mankazana bayahlupha la be road nani. Kuyakwazi phela ngoba uyi-celebrity nyana into zankona ziyasiza and so ufuna umanage. So unomfazi yini wena?
Yeah, amfazi la, kanti ring nansi la.
What you think is ngayibonanga? Alright. So uthwa mbani?
Uthiwa nguBeatin Sisa.
Beatin Sisa. Asiyo unkazana mazi wayigijima uthi ungunampita.
Nguye.
Chokule sibili so. Lona phela gijime ukuchaya endlini gijime ukubhote ukuchaya. So unampita anampita shara unampita. Gijima ngiyamazi mina. Sina wathatha mina ama-medals. So
I would lie, but she's got mameters amaningi like Emosi khona phana abamazi Chinotimba abamazi if you just say Nampita
asiyadla ama Virginia
angazi ukuthi kwami kanjani ukuthi
ungamchipe la ngilo ukuze kumele bube la ndio nxa umchita la usenza manager ucoach and stuff anti uyacoacha lamankazana futhi
yes awuyabe khona
should be definitely so mntana kodwa mbani
sekabe lo mntwana but
ndoda isikhathi sihamba
we are praying ukuthi kube report
no it's fine. So and then there's this guy Chomi lapha ku anti there's Denzel your brother
yes
so lo Denzel wena umkhoshawo angithi Thangu Denzel bani
Thangu Denzel Makwati
ugijima many meters lo
he also specializes in 100 200 400
so uya participate kule coming lokuze nini
yes yabe khona so a lot of people in Victoria Falls abazake bebabone begijima bonke lo Denzel so the two Denzels will be competing so
the two Denzels will be Denzel
Victoria Falls la they want to see ukuthi kanti intshantshi ngubani
guys qala ibuye lizo support Denzel
yes
kulongabi lo wano munye
lo Makwati
panenge pachifiwa zwe ngwabeni Makwati zwe panenge pachimanyiwa kuchifambiwa nebora okay that's nice interesting guys abantu yani libuye lizo support Chomi lokho siyaxoxa lapha mbona uqoku Tombani
Denmark
what
Denmark accounting
so yenza accounting wena kumbe uqokile ube t-shirt
no that's the company that I'm actually working for
okay company isenzela le
yes
alright ingapi
it's above Pismas or Bank APC in town yes
alright ngiyabona lapha so who's the founder mbona umnikazi
the founder is Daniel Machaka Ngavi who is my father is oil
bagijima accountant imali ziyashota thina siya cent so alright Tombani
Thangu
Daniel Ngavi futhi
Daniel Ngavi futhi nguyiwanika Bruno the name
Daniel Ngavi ogijimayo Denzeli wonke ndoda ngapha baya alright so lapho sibana khona
yes
alright so afa uya sponsor yini since
he's actually the one who actually sponsored amanzi that are going to be used by officials and maybe some of the athletes the club here too is the one who
sponsored. So you don't drink water fruit direct from the tap?
No, we are having mineral water.
Mineral water, expensive one.
Yes.
Alright, I need $1. No, it's fine. Alright. That's nice, my guy. Alright, so it's interesting. I guess siyacela lizo supporter. Lama company abazizwa bangani njani?
Bafuna ukusponsor,
you
yes,
can
yes,
help
yes.
and
Yeah,
and wena
that's
you are
true.
willing vele umele uncedise but I hope since uthe kulamanyanga nafuna ukubuya cause Victoria Falls so kumele besincede zani
Yeah, kakhulu.
ukuthi batsirawo ukuthi timboita sei timboti gaga timbosvikako alright so mzwanani zinge chakachaya
Mswana chakabvunduka.
ine zokutaura zvino mina ndibve panapa I think guys I think mzwana mina ndibve zokutaura alright it's fine